Today I picked Amical from AppSumo, an AI dictation tool for people who want to write faster without typing everything manually. The simple idea is this: you speak naturally, and Amical turns your voice into polished text inside the apps you already use. That could be Gmail, Slack, Notion, WhatsApp, Jira, ChatGPT, Cursor, or almost any text field. For freelancers, creators, remote teams, and solo business owners, the value is speed. If you write client emails, social posts, documentation, support replies, proposals, notes, or AI prompts all day, your keyboard becomes a bottleneck. Amical is trying to remove that friction. On the public site, the strongest point is context-aware formatting. The same spoken idea can become a professional email, a casual Slack message, a Notion note, or a development comment, depending on where you dictate it. It also supports Mac, Windows, iOS, and Android, so the workflow can follow you across devices. That matters if you work between desktop, phone, and tablet during the day. Another important feature is privacy. Amical highlights local AI models for offline transcription, plus cloud models when speed and accuracy matter more. For sensitive client work, having a local option is a meaningful advantage. On the AppSumo page, Amical is positioned as a lifetime deal. The listing highlights support for more than 100 languages, custom vocabulary, shortcuts, voice commands, and integrations with tools like Gmail, Slack, Discord, Jira, and API workflows. The plan structure is especially interesting for individuals and small teams: unlimited words with local models, cloud word limits by tier, unlimited devices, custom vocabulary, AI formatting, command mode, and mobile apps. My quick verdict: Amical is worth testing if you write a lot every day and want to turn spoken thoughts into usable text quickly. It is especially relevant for creators, consultants, founders, support teams, and anyone who lives in email, chat, docs, and AI tools. If you want more practical AppSumo and SaaS reviews for freelancers, SMBs, and entrepreneurs, subscribe and watch the next video.